12 of Europe's top clubs announced on Sunday they were launching a breakaway Super League. The move, which has been heavily criticized by the soccer authorities and the UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson, set up a rival to UEFA's Champions League competition. 6 clubs from England's Premier League, Manchester United, Manchester City, Liverpool, Arsenal, Chelsea, Tottenham Hotspur, feature among the founding members, along with Spain's Real Madrid, Barcelona, Atletico Madrid, and Italy's Inter Milan, Juventus, and AC Milan. The organization called Super League said in a statement. The league plans to launch as soon as practicable, and the founding clubs will be given 3.5 billion euros or $4.19 billion to support their infrastructure investment plans and to offset the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, the statement said. Real Madrid president, the new founding chairman of the Super League, said that they will help football at every level and take it to its rightful place in the world. Football is the only global sport in the world with more than 4 billion fans, and our responsibility as big clubs is to respond to their desires. The league plans to add 3 more teams as founder members and then run a 20-team midweek league with 5 teams qualifying annually based on their achievements in the prior seasons. A Women's Super League competition is also planned to be launched after the Men's League is up and running, the statement said. The format of the competition would be 2 groups of 10, playing home and away fixtures with the top 3 in each group qualifying for the quarterfinals. A playoff involving 4th and 5th placed teams will complete the final 8. Juventus president and vice chairman of the new league said the move would secure the long-term future of the game. Our 12 founder clubs represent billions of fans across the globe and 99 European trophies. We have come together at this critical moment, enabling European competition to be transformed, putting the game we love on a sustainable footing for the long-term future, substantially increasing solidarity and giving fans and amateur players a regular flow of headline fixtures that will feed their passion for the game while providing them with engaging role models. FIFA and UEFA condemned the plans, with Europe's governing body saying it would ban any club involved from playing in its domestic league. The new plan was announced the day before UEFA meets to discuss a new expanded format for the Champions League. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson also opposed the move. He tweeted that plans for a European Super League would be very damaging for football, and we support football authorities in taking action. They would strike at the heart of domestic game and will concern fans across the country. The clubs involved must answer to their fans and the wider footballing community before taking any further steps. French president also raised his voice against the breakaway.